Hi, this is the bomb, handcrafted bath bombs. We specialize in creating handcrafted bath bombs at an affordable price. We offer a variety of sizes, shapes, colors, and scents. We believe everyone deserves to relax and be pampered without breaking the bank. We stand out from the competition by allowing our customers to consume select scents and shapes for their bath bomb. We also allow our customers to customize their order size and packaging. We pride ourselves in offering exceptional customer services and products at a price at least 20% below our competition. We begin our product with a small investment of $19.89 to purchase supplies. We made a profit of $105.1 in 7 weeks of operation. We built relationship with customers and had some repeat customers that helped to spread the word about our product. Produce a high quality product that we were proud of, made a profit and didn't have a lot of overhead as product was made to order. Challenges. Initially, took some trial and error to make a product that was high quality and marketable, balancing other time commitment with the operation of the business, turning around orders in a timely manner, marketing effectively and getting the product out to more customers. Moving forward, I will have more time to commit to the business as some of my time commitment will be ending. We will have some products already made up to more quickly fill orders. We will do more marketing on social media and offer rewards to customers who make referrals for new customers. We will continue to add new scents, shapes, and possibly other options